How do debug techniques differ between web and mobile app development? If you are curious about how debugging techniques vary between web and mobile app development, you are in the right place. Let's break down the key differences that can impact how developers tackle bugs in each environment. First, the development environment and tools play a significant role. For web applications, developers often use browser developer tools like Chrome Developer Tools or Firefox Developer Edition. These tools allow for real-time inspection of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Developers can set breakpoints, inspect network requests, and view console logs. This is essential for ensuring compatibility across different browsers. On the other hand, mobile app debugging requires specific tools tailored to each platform. For instance, Xcode is used for iOS applications, while Android Studio is the go-to for Android apps. These integrated development environments come with simulators and device debugging capabilities. This allows developers to inspect user interface elements and monitor memory usage. Debugging on actual devices is crucial due to the differences in hardware and operating systems. Next, let's talk about platform-specific challenges. With web applications, developers must consider how different browser engines and versions can affect behavior. They also need to address network issues and ensure responsiveness across various screen sizes. In contrast, mobile applications face unique challenges related to device features. This includes handling GPS, camera access, and offline capabilities. Mobile debugging must also address permissions and how the application performs under different hardware conditions. When it comes to testing and debugging scope, web applications often requiring cross-browser testing. This ensures that the application behaves consistently across browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Safari. While tools can simulate different device viewports, testing on actual devices is still important for accuracy. Mobile applications, however, requiring testing on multiple real devices and operating system versions. This is due to the fragmentation of devices in the mobile market. Emulators can help, but they may not replicate all real-world conditions. Additionally, mobile apps can work offline, so debugging offline data handling is essential. Now, let's discuss debugging network and performance issues. For web applications, developers can inspect network requests and application programming interface calls through browser tools. They can easily access request and response headers, focusing on load times and script execution speed. Mobile applications requiring specialized tools to monitor data usage and latency. Performance debugging also includes assessing battery usage and app responsiveness when resources are limited. Error reporting and logging are also handled differently. Web applications typically log errors through the browser console. Developers can capture errors using client-side logging frameworks or send them to monitoring services for real-time tracking. Mobile applications, in contrast, use platform-specific logging tools. For example, Logcat is used for Android, while iOS has its own console. Many mobile apps also integrate crash reporting tools that gather detailed reports from users' devices. In practical terms, mastering browser developer tools is fundamental for web app debugging. Understanding JavaScript debugging and testing for browser compatibility early can help prevent issues. For mobile app debugging, gaining proficiency with platform software development kits and real device testing is key. Debugging device-specific features and offline behavior requires targeted testing strategies. In summary, debugging web applications focuses on browser environments and network interactions, while mobile app debugging requires attention to diverse hardware and operating systems. Understanding these differences is essential for effectively identifying and fixing bugs, ensuring a smooth user experience across platforms.